So let's play with my new Dyson cordless vacuum.
Enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the show.
Hello my YouTubers and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. You join me yet again for another video, this time with one of my latest purchases. So as you remember, I did a video of my 2022 Dyson V11, and of course that was the last video. It's now gone to its new owner and my new one is here. That's right, so this is a brand new 2023 Dyson v15 Detect Absolute. So it is brand new out the box, settled for something better than the V11, which of course it is. Already used it and I'm very impressed with the results. The powerhouse of that motor brush and the power it delivers on all three modes is incredible. And I have to say I'm very impressed with the new fluffy optic. That's right, this one comes with the laser fluffy, which illuminates a laser on the floor before the brush and shows you what you can't see with your naked eye. And believe me, it works and it is a absolute gem to have. So yes, already I am impressed. Battery life's really good. It's a lot better than the V11. So without further ado, let's do a quick demo for you guys to show you what it sounds like and how it goes. Okay, so we'll start it off on its eco. So here we go. So that was its eco, and it gives you a very respectable 60-minute run time. Let's put it on the medium blue, which is auto. This is the one on this particular machine where if it feels there's more debris on the floor, it will up its power. Less debris, it lowers its power. So this is automatic. So that one I'm really impressed with. It really hankers down to the ground on that one. Really powerful, good suction there. Right, let's put it on the boost, which is the maximum it does. Here we go. I'll tell you what, very impressive. If you are weak or old, you would not be able to push and pull that at that rate. It really glues itself to the floor. And yes, again, I am impressed with the power it delivers. This delivers the same power as a corded vacuum. Right, well, we're now going to show you the new feature with the V15, which is the fluffy optic with the laser. We also do a short demo in the kitchen for you guys. So here we go. Well, there we go, my YouTubers. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. So there we have it, our first demo of my Dyson v15 Detect Absolute 2023. And I must say, first results, I'm very, very impressed. Really, really powerful. Really as good as a corded vacuum. Its suction was unbelievable. It glued to the floor, and on eco mode you have got an hour of run time. Very impressed, and I really, really love the fluffy, the new laser technology on the fluffy optic. That is incredible, showing you what the naked eye cannot see. That is incredible. It is a fantastic invention in my eyes. This is definitely better than the V11 and the V10. Yes, so really pleased to have this now in my collection. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.